Today I'm going to show you how to add money to your Venmo account. Whether you're settling up with friends or paying for something, having money in your Venmo balance can be super handy. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in the app and you have logged in, tap on the Me at the bottom right. Now here you can find the option to manage. Simply tap on it to manage balance or add money depending on your app version. Tap on it. After that, enter your amount and click on next or add to proceed. Next, you'll need to choose a payment method. You can link a bank account, debit card or credit card. If you haven't added any payment methods yet, now it's the time to do it. And that's it. After you've selected your payment method, review your transaction details, make sure everything looks good. Once you're ready, tap confirm or add money to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully added money to your Venmo account.